Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to master Canva basics and create eye-catching designs in no time? Click Create, then select Custom Size to use any dimensions you want. Next, go to Elements and search for images. Type photo, image, or pmail in the search bar to find the pictures you need. Choose a beautiful photo. Let's try this one. Try removing the background from this image. Then try enlarging this image on the screen. Go to Elements, select Sparks, and enhance the image using the available tools. Using graphic elements can enhance your design. To see the effect, try changing the screen color. This simple adjustment can create a dynamic visual impact and improve the overall appearance of your project. Experiment with different colors to find the best look. To duplicate an item, select it and press Ctrl+D on the keyboard. This creates an exact copy you can move or edit separately. Try this to quickly replicate elements within your project. Next, add a blur effect and change the blur color to white. Duplicate the layer to create a blur effect. Then, add brush elements to enhance the design. To use graphics in Canva, go to the Elements tab. Here, you can browse various graphic options. For example, you can search for slumber and add the desired element to your design by clicking on it. This makes it easy to enhance your project with creative visuals. Close the current notes. Next, add the burgers item. Here's how to use graphics in Canva efficiently and effectively. Click Share, then Download. Save as PDF for printing. Use CMYK color mode for professional quality printing or painting. Now you know how to learn graphic design in Canva. Smash that like button and subscribe for more creative tips.